And she told me that actually the intern can't do that because they don't get a chair at funerals. So my reply to that was, I would consider myself lucky even if they gave me a chair at my internship. Because at a hotel, it's not easy for us. There's nothing clerical. You just sit there and you work, nothing. You have to walk around a lot. So I started my internship. Okay, I wouldn't mention the name of the hotel because I want to give it to but yeah, I started my internship on the 9th of December in 2013. And it was an internship for about 4 months, which covers an entire semester's curriculum. So at first I was really excited. Like I heard like all my seniors talk about how they do this at the hotel, how they eat, exotic food and drink, exotic wine, and I was like, oh, wow, I've only read about this, I've never actually seen it, So I was really excited to go ahead and do that, but I have to say I was shattered when I went in there because, at first I was given like really things I didn't want to do. Like, the whole day I would just stand in one corner and chop vegetables or peel onions, which was the worst thing ever because it just makes your eyes water and you can't still do that all the time. So I didn't like it, like I hated it. I didn't want, I used to like wake up every day and say, oh, I don't want to go. But I had to because I had attendance. So that's what. So then finally, like as it went on and on, I started to have more fun because of the people around there. The people are so fun. You have this idea about these chefs, who are so always angry and always yelling at you, breathing down your back, telling you you're not doing that right. But the truth is, they're all actually really sweet, and there's nothing of that. So unless you really mess up, they will not yell at you. And then also they will just correct you, tell you like, I'm considering I'm an intern, I guess they were a little nice to me, but still. So I was really happy that like they were nice to me and very encouraging, and they used to be so entertaining. They used to be this. I swear to God, after my internship, you asked me to name 15 cheeses, I wouldn't be able to do so. But thanks to this one particular chef, I will be able to tell you all the lyrics of every Yo-Yo Honey Singh song because he used to listen to music all the time. He used to listen to music, he used to rap alongside, he used to cut his vegetables, cook his food, and he used to make it so much fun, He was like Mary Poppins, Like, whatever you do, it has to have fun in it, like that. So that's what started to get me really interested in the whole thing because he showed me like the nice side of it. And I would say that I had my bit of, where I hated it every day and I would wake up in the morning and curse the person who's above me because they would be giving me a hard time. Like once the executive housekeeper yelled at me because I didn't clean the AC grills. I didn't even know I had to clean the AC grills. I didn't even know they were AC grills. So I had a lot of tough times at that point, but I still really enjoyed my experience. But more than that, or more than even learning, like our main intention of going for this was to gather more knowledge, to learn more so that we are more prepared for our interviews in the coming semester. But more than learning about my subject, I actually learned more, about the dignity of labor because over there, there's no such work that is too small or too, there's nothing as an inferior job or a superior job because every job counts. And that is something I actually learned. I didn't know it really happened. I just thought people used to say it because they were being nice. But I didn't realize that that's actually true. Because my job, for instance, when I worked in the restaurant, was to just prepare these condiments, these Chinese crude sets of soya sauce and chili vinegar, and I had to keep it ready so that when the guest comes, you can place it on the table. So now, if I didn't do my work on time, which I did one day, like I didn't do it on time, the entire operation was delayed and the guest was unhappy. And that was because of my small mistake. So that's when I realized that, like even my small job as an intern, which is just to pick something out of one bowl and put it into another, just to do that on time, mattered so much. So that's something that I really, I'm so glad I learned because now when I go in the future, I know that will help me. And the other thing that I also learned was, how, the person who's doing, a job where they're cleaning someone's room or making somebody's bed or even cooking someone's food, there's nothing different to it. And everything is one and the same. There's nothing like superior knowledge or inferior knowledge. And I'm so glad that I learned that. More than learning about my subject, I learned that, which is something that I really cherish. So my experience in general may have been very, very long. It spanned for about 4 months.